welcome to growing your own food in your own backyard. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the like button. Please share your comments. The mother load just arrived. I got a whole driveway of wood chips, but check this out. The wood chips was all the way down here. And so I have been shoveling up wood chips and putting it along the side of my house, along walkways. I have created some piles in the backyard. I have another big pile in another part of my backyard that I'm storing. So I have a really great mix of greens. As you can see, I got a lot of greens in the wood chips. And then I got wood chips. You can see where it's breaking down. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's already breaking down. So the wood chips are already breaking down. So my first wood chips this year was from my neighbor's yard, and check my video out on that. I talk about that on my first video when I had my first wood chips delivered from my neighbor's tree right next door. And these wood chips was free from an arborist, and he dumped this about 2 weeks ago. So I've been working on the pile, getting it dwindled down. Now keep in mind that my wood chips are not going on top of bare dirt or on top of bare ground. My wood chips is going on top of wood chips that I have applied earlier this year that have broken down. Then I have put additional wood chips on my ground, my raised bed, different parts of my yard in June of this year. So I'm going to be adding these wood chips to this layer. And over the winter months, these wood chips are going to break down and they're going to turn into very deep, rich soil. So I'm really excited that I've got these wood chips free. I am already growing wood chips in my backyard. When the winter months are in full bloom, if you will, the winter months where temperatures are getting down low before 32 degrees, and all of my vegetation has died back, then I will take the wood chips from my stockpile in the backyard, and then I will lay everything down for the winter months, so that during the winter months everything starts getting broke down with the snow and the rain and etc. So just want to share with you about the mother load that just came in and how much I've been able to utilize from this point all the way to this point. And probably in the next couple of weeks I would have these wood chips already spread out to my front and backyard. And I will also have them moved to my backyard where my stockpile is. And that will provide me with enough wood chips to carry me for the next 2 years. So I love wood chips. They are very, very beneficial to your yard. They help retain moisture in your soil. They create a nice, neat pathway along the side of your the side of your walkways. And thirdly, they create nice, deep, rich soil. So I'm really excited about this opportunity to have another load of wood chips this year. And thank you for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button. Oh, one other thing. I want to take you into my backyard and show you how wood chips create a soil fertility in my raised bed. What I want to show you is after 6 months of putting down a deep layer of wood chips, which was in April of this year, I ended up with lush, fertile soil beneath the chips. I direct sowed seed of Russian kale in my wood chips in less than 7 days. And my kale is already coming up. These seeds were sowed in wood chips that I laid down 6 months ago. Now keep in mind, in April of 2018, I did put compost on my raised bed, and then I put a layer of wood chips in April, and I put another layer of wood chips in June. And these wood chips have been breaking down. I direct sowed seed of Russian kale in less than 7 days, and my kale is coming up. So using wood chips has many benefits from promoting soil fertility and earthworms that create vermicompost. So I'm really excited to see that I am seeing the benefits of what wood chips can do to help promote fertility in your soil and help with your plants growing quickly. This is my wood chip pile. My garden wouldn't be the same without wood chip mulch. This wood chip pile has a nice combination of wood chips, carbon, and I did get a lot of green leaves, which is nitrogen. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to check out my previous video on wood chips in the top right hand corner.